Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going on a night point of view drive with this car, the all new Nissan X-Trail. And as you can see, we have a new design and the beautiful shape of the front headlamps and the V-motion grille with the new Nissan logo. And the side profile reveals a very robust look. Look at those wheel arches. We've been doing some off-roading as well. This is the innovative e-power version with the electrified powertrain, the very special powertrain. I will show you the details now during the drive. Let's just quickly go and take a look at the rear of the car. There we go. You see the very nice shape of the lights from the rear, easily recognizable on the road. I can also show you the tailgate. Press it here. You can also do it with the key, e-power lettering, and the e-4ORCE, which is the innovative and the new all-wheel drive system from Nissan for the electrified powertrains. This is it. It's getting dark, so let's jump on board and I will show you more details during our drive, of course. So there we go. Look at this beautiful ambient that is waiting for us. So without further ado, let's jump on board and let's go. All right, and we are ready to go. Look at the beautiful layout in front of us. I will put the car into drive and we are ready. So the layout in front of us, 12.3-inch digital cockpit,
then immediately take the next left turn,
and the 12.3-inch screen here in the middle. All right, so let's start with the technical details of this car. So this is the e-power, as I already told you, the innovative electrified powertrain from Nissan. And the cool thing about it is that the electric motors in this case, since we have the all-wheel drive version, are, you know, driving the wheels, and then the petrol engine, 1.5 liter petrol, is here to give electricity for the electric motors. So that's how it works, and really it's a pleasure to drive a car like this, believe me. So in many cases you will be driving purely with the electric motor. I mean, as I said, electric motor is driving the wheels all the time, but of course sometimes you will hear the petrol engine as well, since it needs to charge the battery. But overall drive is so smooth, and we also have the special system, the linear tune, which means you don't have the crazy revs from the engine, and it's just so smooth, and you have the EV feel when you're driving a car like this. And speaking about the EV feel when you're driving the car, you also have the e-pedal, which I believe most of you know what it is. But if you don't know, so for example, look at this. We are now driving. I have the e-pedal turned on, and as soon as I release the throttle, the car starts to slow down. And it's very cool because you even see that the brake light is on here on your display, on your energy flow view, because the car is actually slowing down, and the brake light needs to be on to warn the people behind you, of course. You also get the B mode, which also recuperates the energy, and you can put the car in the EV mode. Now we are in the EV mode, for example, and look how smooth the drive is. That is so cool. We also get the beautiful layout here with the large screens and the mood lights. So still in EV mode. Nicely cruising here. We go left, 10.8-inch head-up display. Not sure if camera is catching it, but a very cool one and very useful one. You see the arrows and everything in front of you. Speaking about the modes, there are a few driving modes: Eco, Sport, Standard, Snow, and Off-Road. For example, we can go to Sport. Of course, you would have sharper throttle response in it, and if you want to be as efficient as you can be, you go into Eco mode, but I will keep it in the Standard mode for now. The AC is still on switches, which is always nice to see. change the temperature here and the air blower by pressing those buttons here. And the mood lights, yeah, here and also on the other door and here in the middle. Speaking about the exact numbers, so the petrol engine is a 1.5 liter one with 204 PS. Then the e-4ORCE all-wheel drive version, which we are currently driving, which has the special all-wheel drive made for electrified powertrains, that one features the 2 electric motors and total output is 213 PS. And if you go for the front-wheel drive version, then you get 204 PS, and then you get just the front electric motor. This car also has the 7 seats, and this layout 0 to 100 in 7.2 seconds, and top speed is 180 kilometers per hour. If you go for the 5-seat version, acceleration is 7 seconds to reach 100. I'm talking about the all-wheel drive version, and the front-wheel drive 0 to 100 is 8 seconds. You can also change the views that you have here in front of you. If I press the change view, now you see we have more of a classic view with the speedometer and also the percentage of power on our left, because once again the electric motors are driving the wheels. And yeah, you can also see the animation here. Not sure if you'll be able to see it from this angle, but energy flow shows you exactly what's going on in this moment. Also, if you want to see more details about the infotainment system, which obviously I can't show you right now, you can check out my full in-depth review, which is probably already live on my channel. And stay tuned for the point of view drive during the day as well. So a lot to come from this car, and with this car actually. And of course, as expected, the car is packed with technology and safety systems, and it's cool that you can actually control everything here. So you have the lane assist, blind spot assist, emergency brake. It can all be configured here. You can also have the navigation view like this, also looks cool. Okay guys, and that was the first night point of view drive with this car. I really hope you liked it, and I hope that you stay tuned for more, of course, in the future. Tell me in the comments how do you like the car. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.